the burden on hospitals. And we are together upgrading provincial emergency operations centers, as well as supporting refugees and host communities. Total new U.S. funding for these and other joint efforts against coronavirus is over $28 million. We are proud to partner with Pakistan because we believe Pakistan's success is the world's success. We are very grateful for the many Pakistani expressions of sympathy and support for Americans during this difficult time. We send with equal sincerity and support our sympathies to Pakistanis who have suffered. Together, we will defeat this virus and rebuild our prosperity and our freedom. Eid Mubarak, Bohat Shukriya.